Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again. I got the Gravedigger 25th anniversary with the black body that it ran for a few years. Oh, the 25th anniversary, but it ran for a while. Gravedigger, guys, there's Monster Jam. There's the back, of course. Gravedigger. Packaging. Let's go ahead and open it now. Oh, nice. Okay, put the light on it. So here's guys, Gravedigger 25th. Those rims look retro. Kind of does look old. Gravedigger, guys, and then 25th anniversary logo since 1982. Says Racing Champion 2006. Pretty cool. The headlight printing's nice. The flames in the front, the arrows. Green roll cage, black chassis, black tires. Gray rims and bead locks. Top of the truck. Alright, guys, got one more to go. Peace out.